Welcome, and thank you for joining us today. Before we get started, I would just like to introduce our speakers for today. I'm Danielle van der Westhuizen, and I'm the Finance Product Manager for Syspro. Joining me today is Rocky from Nuvei, who is our preferred payment processing partner. Rocky, I'll hand over to you to introduce yourself before we get started.
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks, Danelle. Hi, everyone. Thank you again for joining today. My name is Rocky Ging here on the partner development team at Nuvei. I look over the partnership with Syspro, based out of Colorado in the US, and really looking forward to the session today. Thank you again for joining. We're really excited about the content to go through. I'll be covering background on Nuvei, kind of the who we are, how we fit into the picture with the payment gateway, what challenges we solve for, partnership highlights, and how to engage with us on payments. Go ahead, Danelle.
Perfect. Thank you, Rocky. Okay, so just before we start, a quick housekeeping rules. So please keep yourself muted. It keeps the audio clean for everyone. Use the chat for questions. So we'll address as many as we can during the session. And anything that we don't reach will be followed up by email after the webinar. The session is being recorded. So if you need to step away, you'll receive the recording link afterwards. The slides will also be distributed to all registered attendees. If you run into any audio or video issues, please just drop us a message in the chat and we'll see if we can assist you. And yeah, we are aiming to wrap up in about 45 minutes. We have a lot to cover, so let's get into it. Okay, so today we are taking a deep dive into our Syspro Payment Gateway, our embedded digital payment solution. I'll cover what it does, the business problems it solves, how it works end to end, and then we'll have a look at two demonstrations, the Pay Now flow with automatic accounts receivable reconciliation, as well as the Reserve Now and batch settlement flow that was released as part of the 2026 R1. But before we get into the detail, it is important that you understand that the gateway runs on a payment processor, and our preferred payment processor is Nuvei. So Rocky is going to tell you more about who they are and what our partnerships looks like with in practice. Thanks, Rocky.
Thanks, Danelle. Appreciate it. Yeah, sorry about that. Just a quick look at agenda from my side, just to run through this before we dive in. First, I'll be covering, once again, the Nuvei background, again, who we are, where we came from, our origin story. Next, I'll give a rundown on problems we solve for, specifically for manufacturers and distributors, and how integrated payments fits into that picture. Then I'll give an overview of what we provide as the preferred payment partner of Syspro, what that means from a high-level point of view. And then finally, I'll run through our engagement and support model. Next slide. Perfect. So everyone loves a good origin story, so I will kind of give you ours, a snapshot of where we came from. Back in 2017, we were actually born out of Sage Group and spun out as Sage Payment Solutions. So from our origin, we were involved in ERP, B2B as well. In 2018, we rebranded to Paya and focused heavily on B2B integrated payments. We grew that business by expanding into the major ERPs, including Acumatica, NetSuite, Microsoft Dynamics, SAP, obviously Syspro as well. 2023, we were actually acquired by Nuvei to expand their B2B footprint. Next slide. Great. So who is Nuvei? So Nuvei is a global payment provider founded in 2003, actually based out of Montreal, Canada. We serve 200 plus global markets, have 20 global offices. We have about 50 local acquiring markets, and that list continues to grow. We have over 720 payment methods and support over 150 currencies. In terms of our B2B customer footprint, we have about 15,000 customers across 17 ERP integrations, and once again, Syspro is included there. So big picture here, think of us as a global partner wherever you're growing, whatever markets that you're either currently in or want to expand in. We likely have coverage there just based on our direct and local acquiring licenses and partnerships. Next slide. Great. So now taking a look at use cases and what problems we solve for with integrated payments. First off, high DSO and delayed cash flow. We know businesses struggle because customers take longer to pay when payment options aren't convenient or integrated into the invoice process. So this ties up working capital and makes cash flow unpredictable and complicates forecasting, funding, and growth planning. So with integrated payments within the ERP and within SysPro, with our integration, payment processing directly with core accounting workflows streamlines the AR process. The second one, manual reconciliation and data entry errors. Many businesses spend too much time manually matching payments to invoices, which drives up labor costs with that extra time. Manual processes increase errors as well. The risk of errors, which can delay month-end close and damage customer relationships when disputes potentially arise. So again, integrated payments solves for this, translates to real-time automation and reduced overhead. Number 3, limited payment methods and poor customer experience. Customers today expect a choice. Myself, when I'm going to a website, when I'm buying something, it's always great to have a choice, whether it's, payment methods, ACH, credit card, digital wallets, all those different things. So without this flexibility, payments are slower. Clunky, limited payment experience leads to delayed collections with more support calls. So again, integrated payments within the ERP removes these barriers and creates more of a B2C flow in a B2B environment. Number 4, lack of real-time visibility into AR performance. This one's a big one to really hone in on. Without accurate, up-to-date data insight into invoice and collection status, leaders can't make proactive decisions. So this makes it hard to spot at-risk accounts early or just cash flow strategies in time. Once again, integrated payments provides real-time visibility and instant tracking of cash flow. So big picture, a lot of items here, kind of a busy slide, but just want to call out integrated payment solution coupled with AR automation and the payment gateway, which Danielle will do a deep dive in here in just a few minutes, solves for each of these problems and improves the account receivable process on the whole. So this results in improved cash flow, time saved, and less room for errors. Overall, more visibility and higher performance for the accounts receivable team. Next slide. Great. So now I'd like to call attention to our core value proposition in this partnership with SysPro. First off, we're embedded directly into SysPro with the ERP native payments integration built for manufacturers, built for distributors. That's really, kind of where we came from, as I mentioned, in our background and our origin. So we understand and excel in B2B payments. Our product team has decades of ERP and B2B experience, along with our commercial teams as well. So we're here to support every step along the way. Number 2, seamless integration with SysPro. So again, ability to accept and reconcile credit card, ACH payments directly inside the ERP, directly in SysPro. No external portals. Plus you get AR automation tools such as Pay by Link, automated postings, and daily reconciliation. Number 3 here, and just kind of the last item really to focus on again is just the B2B focus, specifically how that translates to underwriting, boarding, and reporting. Average underwriting time for us as a payment processor is about 24 to 48 hours. Very low lift in terms of getting things switched over from your current payment provider. There's no cost to implement Nuvei or onboard. We have 24/7 payment support from our B2B product team. So I'll get into the full support engagement model on the next slide. So we'll move to that now, please. Great. Okay. So taking a look at the engagement model. First, let's see here. Going first to the introduction. So typically it's going to come, if you have a VAR that you're working with, you could interact with them. They could reach out to us directly or your SysPro account manager. Number 2, we typically schedule a discovery call to understand your specific needs and walk through, kind of how you're accepting payments now, what payment methods you need covered, all those different things, and pricing will come up during that conversation as well. So number 3, pricing comparison. A lot of times what we like to do is see your current merchant statements. So that way we could do an apples to apples comparison and come in with a pricing analysis, and a lot of times a savings analysis too. So we look at your current rates, your current fees, and present a proposal, once again, typically with savings that we could provide. At that point, if and when you decide to move forward, we then enter the underwriting phase, which requires merchant services agreement. That will be on Nuvei paper, so it will be a Nuvei agreement. We also require business documentation and go through the entire KYC process. So average underwriting time, again, is about 24 to 48 hours. That's really going to depend on how quick you guys move. Typically, we can move as quick as you want. And just as long as you're getting that information over to us, to our underwriting team, we'll be with you and support along the way. During that process, we provide real-time updates with your CISPRO account manager, with your CISPRO VAR, and obviously with you as the customer as well. Once approved, our implementation team will schedule an onboarding session and provides ongoing support post-implementation. So that's going to be, going into your CISPRO ERP. You'll have a merchant account, merchant ID at that point. So getting everything provisioned, doing test transactions if needed. And again, there's no cost for this training, onboarding support, and there's 24/7 support. So if any issues do come up, you know who to reach out to. Okay, well, that wraps up things from my side, but please feel free to reach out to myself, your VAR, or your CISPRO account manager if you'd like to learn more. Appreciate it. Appreciate the time. Next, back to you, Mel.
Thanks, Rocky. Okay, so let's start at the beginning. What exactly is the CISPRO Payment Gateway, and what problem was it built to solve? So the CISPRO Payment Gateway is a fully embedded digital payment solution built natively into CISPRO, not bolted on. It enables your customer to pay invoices electronically in real time, directly from a secure hosted payment page. No manual banking steps, no emailing remittance advice, and no waiting for funds to be matched to an invoice. On the right, you can see what we call the gateway at a glance. So the key capabilities it delivers out of the box: digital payment processing, real-time accounts receivable reconciliation, PCI DSS compliance, multi-currency support, a self-service customer portal, and deep integration with your sales orders and accounts receivable modules. On the left are the four outcomes our customers consistently tells us matters most: accelerating payment collections and reducing daily sales outstanding, reducing credit risk in their accounts receivable portfolio, operating more efficiently with less manual processing, and delivering a better payment experience to the end customers. This is what makes a gateway different from a standalone payment terminal or a generic payment link. It lives inside CISPRO, and the moment the payment is confirmed, your ERP is updated automatically. Now, before I show you what the gateway does, let me frame the problem it was designed to solve, because the capabilities only make sense in the context of the challenges they address. Our customers consistently run into the same 5 pain points around payments. The first is slow payment collections. When an invoice goes out by email or delivered manually, and customers pay by bank transfer, the time between invoice and cash receipt is long. Manual follow-ups takes time, and cash stays out of your business for longer than it needs to be. The second is payment fraud exposure. Without a compliant hosted payment page and cryptographic link security, businesses are vulnerable to intercepted payment details and fraudulent transactions. The reputational or financial cost of a payment fraud incident is significant. Poor accounts receivable data visibility. When payments come in through multiple channels and have to be matched manually, your accounts receivable aging report is never quite right. Credit decisions get made on stale data. The manual reconciliation burden. High transaction volumes and manual matching processes are error-prone. The risk of posting errors, double posting, or missed reconciliations create audit and compliance exposure. And fifth, scalability limits. As your business grows, manually managed payments processes don't scale with you. If you want to support modern payment experiences, self-service, mobile, multi-currency, you need a gateway. Each of these 5 challenges maps directly to a capability in the gateway. Let me show you how. Let's walk through exactly how the gateway works. From the moment a customer places an order to the moment the payment hits your accounts receivable. The swim line diagram shows the complete flow, what the customer experiences on top and what Cispro and the gateway do automatically below. Starting on the left, the customer places an order. In Cispro, that order is recorded in sales order module. Step 2, a customer invoice is generated, and the gateway automatically creates a payment request and embeds a secure link into the invoice email sent to the customer. Next, the customer receives that invoice, clicks the Pay Now link, and is taken to the hosted payment page. This is a PCI DSS compliant page managed entirely by Nuvei. Cispro never touches raw card data. Step 4, the customer enters their card details securely on the HPP. Nuvei authorized the transaction against the card network and issuing bank. And step 5, the customer receives instant confirmation that the payment was successful. And simultaneously, on the Cispro side, the invoice balance is updated automatically. If the Cispro operator has access to the card details, they can make use of the Pay Now function. That will direct them to the hosted payment page, where they can enter the details on behalf of their customers. This entire cycle, from the link delivery to accounts receivable, can happen in under 2 minutes. That is the power of a fully embedded payment gateway. Sales orders and accounts receivable modules. These are the core Cispro modules. The gateway builds on top of them. It doesn't replace them. Every payment is rooted in a real sales order or invoice in your ERP. The gateway connector is the API-based integration layer that links Cispro to your payment processor. This is pre-built. There's no custom code, no middleware to manage. The hosted payment page, or HPP, where your customer completes their payment, is managed by Nuvei, not Cispro, which is what keeps you out of PCI scope. Nuvei handles all core data security. Nuvei also handles the authorization, settlement, and communication with core networks and issuing banks. The merchant account is where settled funds land before they transfer to your business account. This is also managed by Nuvei. And finally, a real-time account receivable update. This is the piece that closes the loop. The moment the payment is confirmed, the gateway pushes the information back into Cispro and the invoice balance is updated automatically. No manual posting required. Now let's talk about what this means for your business. The benefits you'll see and what sets the Cispro gateway apart from alternatives. We have 8 core benefits. First, customer experience. Customers settle invoices through a simple secure link. No portal login, no complex checkout flow, just click, pay, done. Second, accelerated cash flow. Real-time processing means money moves faster. Days sales outstanding comes down and your working capital position improves. Credit risk management. When payments are fast and verifiable, your exposure on overdue accounts reduces significantly. Automated accounts receivable reconciliation. Payments auto-match to invoice. Manual errors are eliminated. Your accounts receivable balance is always current. Scalability. The gateway supports multi-currency and grows with you as you expand into new markets. Security and compliance. The PCI DSS compliant hosted payment page means the security burden sits with your processor, Nuvei, not your IT team. Cost efficiency. There are no hidden development costs, no upgrade fees. It's fully integrated out of the box. And finally, improved conversion. A frictionless checkout experience increases the percentage of customers who actually complete payment on first. That has a direct impact on your collections efficiency. There are three things that genuinely sets out the Cispro Payment Gateway, apart from a standalone alternative. First, full native integration with zero custom code. The gateway connects directly to sales order and accounts receivable. Payments don't need to be imported, matched, or manually posted. Everything happens inside Cispro automatically. If you've ever managed a standalone payment system and had to reconcile it against your ERP, you know how painful that process is. This eliminated it entirely. Second, flexibility and global scalability. Multi-currency transactions work natively. As your business grows or expands internationally, the gateway adapts. And third, simple deployment. No IT project required. Because everything is pre-built and integrated, going live doesn't require a system integrator or a custom development engagement. Businesses with limited IT resources can configure and activate the gateway themselves within this existing Cispro setup. These 3 points matter because alternatives typically requires either accepting limited ERP integration or investing significantly in custom development to build that integration yourself. Security is always a concern when you're talking about payment processing. Let me address that directly. 4 security pillars worth understanding. PCI DSS compliance. The hosted payment page is managed entirely by your payment processor, Nuvei. Core data never enters Cispro's environment, which means Cispro is outside PCI scope. This compliance burden sits with Nuvei, who is PCI certified. Certified data centers. Payment data is stored in certified facilities. GDPR requirements are met for EU-based customers. Cryptographically secure payment link. Every payment URL contains a random code. It's not guessable, it's not sequential, and it expires. Even if a link were intercepted, it would be unusable after its expiry window. Anti-phishing practices. Crucially, Cispro never puts payment credentials in the invoice body. The email contains a link to the HPP, nothing more. All right, let's get into our first demonstration. What you're about to see is the end-to-end pay now flow recorded in a live Cispro environment. I'll walk you through 4 things. How a payment request is created from a sales invoice inside Cispro, what the customer experienced on the hosted payment page, how the accounts receivable balance updates automatically the moment the payment is confirmed with no manual reconciliation steps, and a payment through our AR payment run.
Businesses that rely on manual payment collections know the costs. Slow collections, reconciliation errors, and credit risk that compounds over time. Cispro's embedded payment gateway changes that. It accelerates collections, automates reconciliation, and gives your customers a payment experience they'll want to use. Let's see it in action. Digital payments in Cispro can be initiated from 2 places. Directly from sales order entry at the point of invoicing, or from accounts receivable as part of a payment run. Let's look at sales order entry first. When an invoice is posted through Cispro sales order module, the terms code on the order determines whether digital payment is available. When it is, you get 2 options. You can process payment immediately, which is useful when the customer is on the phone or standing at your counter, or you can send a payment request, which is what we'll do today. Sending a request embeds a payment link directly into the invoice. The customer receives it by email, clicks the link, and lands on the gateway to pay at their convenience. Whichever route you take, everything from that point forward looks and works the same. On the gateway, the customer enters their contact details and selects a payment method. If they've paid before and saved their card details, it's ready to select. First-time users enter their card details here. Worth noting, Cispro never stores card data. that's managed entirely by a PCI-compliant payment processor, so your customer's payment information stays secure. Once payment is submitted, the corresponding invoice balance in SysPro is automatically updated. No manual entry, no lag. The same capability extends to accounts receivable. A new payment type in your existing AR payment run program lets operators settle a customer invoice or full outstanding account balance across multiple invoices in a single transaction. The operator has the same two options: send a payment request for the customer to action later, or process payment immediately using the gateway. Selecting Pay Now opens the gateway. Same process, same experience. SysPro's Payment Gateway brings it all together. Customers get a frictionless, self-service experience with multiple payment options. Payments are applied to invoices instantly, eliminating manual processing and improving accuracy. And with multi-currency support and automated reconciliation, your business is ready to scale wherever your customers are. Smarter, faster, built for your industry.
Okay. Now let me show you the 6 new capabilities that was released as part of our 2026 R1 release. Online payments via the supply chain portal. Customers will be able to pay outstanding invoices or reserve funds directly from the portal, including bulk payment across multiple invoices without any operator involvement. Credit card reservations. Sales orders will support the Reserve Now link, allowing customers to hold funds on their card against an order before it ships or is invoiced. Batch settlement of payments. A new batch settlement screen gives operators full control over when the gateway transactions are posted to accounts receivables. Rather than automatic posting on payment confirmation, operators can hold transactions until they've reconciled against their bank statement. I'll demonstrate this shortly. Accounts receivable withholding tax at the point of capture. For regions where withholding tax applies, this will now be handled accurately at the point of capture without manual adjustments. Automatic customer sync. When a customer's details are updated in SysPro, the corresponding gateway account updates automatically. No more manual syncing. And enhanced reservation visibility on sales orders. The reservation date, status, and reserved amount will now be surfaced on the sales order header, sales document format, and cover, giving operators complete visibility of reserved funds. These are significant additions. Let me clarify the distinction between a payment and a reservation, because they serve different purposes in your order to cash process. A payment is triggered and posted to accounts receivable invoice. The customer clicks Pay Now, funds are collected and transferred to your merchant account immediately, and accounts receivable invoice balance reduces automatically. Payment is posted to SysPro accounts receivable on success. Reservation, on the contrast, is triggered by open sales order before invoicing or fulfillment. The customer authorizes a hold on their card via the Reserve Now link. No funds are captured yet. A hold is simply placed on their card. The accounts receivable balance is unaffected until the order ships and an invoice is raised. Settlement is deferred. Funds are captured and posted when the order is fulfilled. Think of a reservation as a pre-authorization. You're securing the customer's payment intent and card availability before you commit to fulfilling the order. This is particularly valuable for businesses with long lead times, high-value orders, or credit-sensitive customers. The key difference: payment settles immediately, reservations defer settlements until fulfillment. Let me also clarify the two reconciliation methods. because this is often a point of confusion. Automatic reconciliation. The moment the gateway confirms a payment, the payment is posted automatically to Syspro's accounts receivable. The invoice balance reduces in real time. There is no operational involvement. Accounts receivable entries are posted immediately, and the operator reconciles against the bank statement independently after the fact. This is the right model for most businesses that want straight-through processing with no manual steps. Batch settlement, which is new in 2026 R1, changes this. In batch mode, the accounts receivable posting does not happen automatically on payment. Instead, the operator reviews the gateway transaction list in Syspro, matches it to their bank statement, and selects which transaction to settle. Only when the operator confirms the batch does Syspro post the accounts receivable. This means the invoice balance stays open until the operator completes this step, even if the card was charged days earlier. Batch settlement is designed for businesses that need to verify funds physically have cleared their bank account before recognizing the payment in Syspro. It gives finance teams more control over the timing of accounts receivable postings at the cost of automation. To use batch settlement, it's enabled per company via a configuration option in the payment gateway setup. Batch settlement of payment transaction. It's an opt-in per company, so you can run different companies on different modes within the same Syspro environment. Now let's see the reserve now and batch settlement flow in action. This demonstration covers three things: initiating a credit card reservation from sales order, a batch settlement workflow, matching gateway transactions to the bank statement, and the accounts receivable posting that happens when the operator confirms the batch.
You've seen how Syspro's payment gateway accelerates collections and automates reconciliation at the point of invoicing. Today we're going deeper with two new capabilities that gives your business even greater control over how and when payments are captured. We've introduced a new reconciliation method for the gateway called batch settlement, and to support it, a new setup option, batch settlement of payment transaction. We've also added reservation functionality to AR invoice terms as part of digital payments. This gives you control over when funds are reserved, either at sales order entry or later when you're ready to invoice. Let's look at the reservation process. When a sales order is created and the customer's terms code is flagged for digital payments, specifically reservations, you'll see two options: reserve now or send a reservation request to the customer so they can authorize payment themselves. If you choose to send a request, a link is embedded in their order acknowledgement. When the customer receives the email, they click on the link, land on the gateway, and authorize the reservation directly. For this demo, I'll execute the reservation directly. The typical scenario when you have the customer's card details on hand, whether they're on the phone or in front of you. I've also used a foreign currency customer to show you that the gateway handles multi-currency transactions without any friction. Once you select Reserve Now, you will be directed to the gateway. The experience is consistent with what you would see for a standard invoice payment. You'll enter the customer's contact details first. If card details were saved previously, they'll be available for selection. If not, you enter them here. Worth noting, Syspro does not store card details. That's handled by our PCI-compliant payment processor. Once funds are reserved successfully, the corresponding sales order in Syspro is updated automatically. And if the order was previously suspended due to a failed credit check, the operator can release it from suspense at this point. When the order is shipped and invoiced, the reserved funds are consumed. In this example, you'll notice the customer balance isn't updated automatically because we have batch settlement switched on. meaning that the payments are processed through the gateway, but Cispro doesn't automatically reconcile them against the customer account. Instead, they're added to a list of outstanding batch settlement transactions. At a time that suits the operator, they open the batch settlement program in Cispro and compare the transaction list with the physical bank statement. When a transaction is matched, the operator will select it for settlement. The payment is only posted in Cispro at that point, so the customer's outstanding balance decreases when the batch is settled, not when the card was charged. This gives your team full control over when the reconciliation happens. As you can see here, once the batch is settled, the payment is allocated and the customer's balance reduces accordingly. The Cispro Gateway gives you a flexible, controlled, and professional payment experience, from order capture all the way through to reconciliation. The Gateway supports automated processing, multiple payment methods, and multi-currency transactions, helping your business scale and operate globally with confidence.
Okay, so you've seen what the gateway does and how it works. Let me tell you what it takes to activate your gateway. 5 steps, and none of them require a development project. Step 1, confirm your Cispro version and modules. The payment gateway is available in 2025 and onwards. Sales orders and accounts receivable needs to be active in your Cispro environment. If you're not sure, your account manager or partner can confirm your current version as well as your module activation. Then, select a payment processor. Speak to your Cispro account manager or partner. Available processors depend on your region. They'll guide you to the right option. Step 3, contract directly with the processor. Cispro is not a party to that agreement. The merchant agreement sits between you and your processor. Cispro charges no transaction fees. Your only per transaction cost is with the processor. Step 4, request a license update. Your Cispro account manager or partner handles this. You'll need to specify your chosen processor and the number of merchant IDs required. And step 5, configure and go live. The hosted payment page is set up with your processor. The gateway is configured in Cispro and you are live. No custom development, no integration project. It activates within your existing setup. Okay, so we've covered a lot today. Thank you for staying with us. I think we have time now for a few questions. Let me see if I can go through some of them in the chat. Okay. So how does this process actually accelerate accounts receivable collection? So because they pay directly, you don't have to then follow up on payments. It will, the moment that the payment is processed, it will process within your accounts receivable as well. Then Libby, we say, they pay multiple invoices at one time? Yes, they can. They can do a bulk invoice payment. Does this work if customers pay on before invoice generation on sales orders? We don't invoice before payment. So yes, they can use a reservation function where they can then reserve the funds against a credit card. And the moment that you then invoice, we will then consume the funds accordingly. Okay, then we have one from, could an entity use a combination of payment gateway and bank payments depending on the preferences of the customer? Yes, you can. So you will set up the customer as for digital payment, or they can then do a normal bank payment as well, if they prefer that. Paying directly doesn't mean paying earlier, does it? No, but it is hopefully a little bit earlier. Does this only work with credit cards? Can it work with mobile money payments? Rocky, do you maybe want to take that one?
Yeah, Yeah, absolutely. So we do support various card payments, credit, debit. We do ACH, we do bank transfer. Looks like Bax was mentioned earlier in the chat as well. So that should be supported in Q4. But in terms of other alternative payment methods, mobile money payments, I would say if there's any specific ones that you're looking for, certainly reach out. There's a good chance that we cover them now, or we could solve for it and kind of build it out with SysPro. So if there are specific payment methods you want to see, reach out and we get a definitive answer for you.
Thank you. Will the presentation be emailed to all the registered recipients? Yes, it will be. The slides and the email will and the webinar will be emailed to everyone. And then, is there additional license cost for setup on the payment gateway? No, it's included in your subscription license. So the only additional cost will be with the payment processor. How or who gets the notification when clients has paid? So because we increased our visibility regarding reservation function as well as the payment function, so you will be able to have a notification in your SysPro once the client has paid. And you will be able to track the status against your sales order or against your invoice as well. How would it work with third-party payers? I'm not 100% sure I understand that question. Julia, I'll just reach out to you directly to understand that. And what happens if a customer wants to pay with more than one credit card? They can absolutely pay with more than one card. They can do partial payments with different credit cards as well. Okay, and then how will it work with mobile money, most used in Kenya? Rocky, can I give that one to you again?
Yeah. So I'll have to take that back. So Hezekiah, I'll reach out to you with that one. I'm not 100% sure if we support that or not, but I'll get an answer for you.
Okay, so if there are no more questions that I can see.
Great questions, though. That's good to see.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, so yeah, but that brings us to the end of today's session. We've covered a lot of ground. If we didn't get to a question, or if you have any other questions, please send them to the email address as shown on the slide. We'll be happy to follow up on them after the webinar. Your SysPro account manager or partner is also the right starting point if you'd like to talk about anything. Thank you and enjoy your day. Goodbye.